Namaste. Bring yourself to standing. Have a sturdy chair nearby. Today's short session is going to focus on balance. Bring yourself to standing, feet hip width apart, mountain pose. So allowing yourself to arrive in your space. Connecting to the natural flow of your breath. Tall through the spine. Grounded through the feet. Lifting through the crown of the head. Take a deep breath in and a deep breath out. Repeat. One more. Feel the ribs lifting away from the hips. Soft spinal twist, releasing through the feet. Mobilizing and warming the spine. Take the legs wider, make it more dynamic if you want to. Slowly come back to center, feet hip width. If you need to use a chair for balance, have it nearby so you can just place your hand while we work to the left side of the body. Hands on the hips, releasing to the ball of the foot. Start to circle, leading with the knee. Rolling over the toes if you want to. Reversing. Opposite direction again, with the option to lift the legs, scooping out. Pelvis stays square on to the space in front of you. You can change the position of the arms for balance if you want to. Scooping out. The bigger and slower the movement, the more challenging it will be. But you'll probably find your own rhythm. Scoop in. The standing leg is slightly soft at the knee, not locking any joints here. There's no strain on the joints, just using the muscles. Gently release the leg forwards and back, pointing the toe to the ground or gently swaying the leg with a soft knee. Control. Form. You take the leg out to the side, toe tap and come across, or lifting the leg slightly with the foot flexed and sweeping across. Breathing in, breathing out. Your gaze is on a still point, somewhere to the ground. If your eyes wander, so will the body. Keep mind-body connection. If you can take the leg out and take it back to a slight diagonal, you'll feel the standing leg strengthening, the moving leg mobilizing. And in front, let the breath flow. Use a chair anytime you need to, or maybe hands against a wall, if that's easier. Last one. And release, have a little shake out. Shake the feet and the hands. Okay, opposite side, noting that one side might be different to the other. So bring the chair to the opposite side if you feel you're going to need it. Releasing to the ball of the foot, circle out, leading with the knee. Rolling over the toes if you want to. You want to free up the joints of the toes. Keep the sternum lifted. Try to keep central through the core, drawing in so we don't push the hip to the side as we release. Now through the right leg. In. And taking it again, scooping out bigger if you want to, or keep the foot, ball of the foot to the earth. One more, scoop it in. One more, release the leg forwards and back. A great little routine to do each day or several times a week. I'm going to go out to the side and across, either toe tapping, lifting through the chest, or gently bringing the foot to flexion and taking it out and across. Out to a diagonal, slightly behind. Again, toe tapping or lifting. Focus, concentration, practice. Remember, your yoga is a practice. The more we practice, the better connected we are to ourselves, body and mind. And away and in front at a diagonal, foot flexed or toe tapping. If you point the toe to the ground, try to touch the same point with the toe, consciously without shifting your head or your gaze. Two more. And release. Soft spinal twist. Back to centre, deep breath in, palms together above the head or immediately in front of the chest. Drawing the hands down upon an exhalation, soften your gaze. Just take a moment to thank your wonderful body for practicing this balanced routine today. Affirm today, I am balanced in body and mind. Today is a wonderful day.